Hello, good morning friends. I'm Fahim here. Today I'm planning to introduce about sort and filter in Excel. So it's very simple, but someone don't know how to use it in Excel. So I can explain to you. So for that we need to open our first Excel workbook. Then we need to create some data in that sheet. So I made already for me, so I can show you that how you can do it. So this is a page which I mention all of the data for my reference. Okay, so from here I will introduce how we can use it, sort and filter here. So for sorting, so first we need to select all of the data here. Okay, then go to sort and filter in here, then select custom sort, or you can sort directly from here, sort smallest to largest, sort largest to smallest. So only it depends on first cell. So better is there is custom sort. Go to custom sort. Here we can choose which area we need to sort. Sorry, one more time, so I will show you how it is. Select all of the data, go to custom sort, then select which one you need to sort. Example, serial number or reference or description or amount or remarks. So here I am sorting based on amount. Then depends on sort on based cell value or cell color or font color or condition formatting icon. So better I am doing here cell value. Then here largest to smallest or smallest to largest. Which one we need, we can choose it, or custom list we can make it. So I am choosing here right now largest to smallest. Okay, so here we can see it 85 it's now in up, 25 it's in down. So it means it's highest value in up, smallest value in down. So it's sorted already. So this is the sorting in Microsoft Excel. So other things I can explain to you about now. For filter, first we need to select our headings, then go to sort and filter. There is one icon here, you can see it, filter. Just click on it. So you can see it's buttons came here, 12 buttons. So once you click on that button, you can see all of the data in that cell. So here I'm going to filter based on a reference. So see, there is 3 data here. Unique value only will appear here. If duplication, it will not be there. So first what you do, it remove select all, then select AB3 and click OK. See, you can find out now the sorted based on reference number, how many data we entered. If example here only 2 data I entered, so it's appear only 2 here. So we can see it 85 and 65. So what's the usage in the filter, maybe you're thinking now. So I will show you one example what's the usage on filter. Okay, so first remove which is selected, click select all. Then here what you do, it I need to create one equation here for total value for these cells. So we can use one equation for filter taking some value. For that, just not your account. Subtotal 09 and the dots. Okay, so total value of this all amount which came to 110 right now. See, so if we go into for filter, so we'll see what's the amount will appear here now. See, I'm removing again, select all. I'm selecting now AB3 and click OK. See, the total value only these two based on reference. So it's useful in Excel. So I hope all of you understand what I tell you. So we'll see in next chapter. Okay, thank you very much.